Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video from this morning over here. So the pound dollar eventually did end up pushing up, and this 3 waves up right here I think was the giveaway, telling us that that was a wave B and that this move down was actually a wave C. I don't really think the move up is over. It's probably going to at least make a 3, 4, 5 shape. Then if it starts breaking structure to the downside, I would say that this section of trend would be over, because to me it looks like a wave 5. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, or maybe even a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1. Either scenario, what should come next is a correction to this move up, like some sort of an ABC correction that would most likely take out the low of wave 4, either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.